Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition and balanced diet. Your diet plays a crucial role in your overall health and well-being, so it's essential to understand how to nourish your body properly. In this video, we'll cover the key principles of nutrition and provide practical tips to help you achieve a balanced diet that supports your goals. Let's get started. Importance of nutrition. Nutrition is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. What we eat directly impacts our energy levels, mood, and long-term well-being. By making informed choices about our food, we can support our bodies and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Understanding macronutrients. Macronutrients are the building blocks of our diet, consisting of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates provide energy, proteins support growth and repair, and fats aid in nutrient absorption and hormone production. It's important to include a balance of these macronutrients in our meals. Exploring micronutrients. Micronutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, are equally important for our health. They help regulate various bodily functions and support our immune system. Including a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in our diet ensures we get a wide range of micronutrients. Building a balanced plate. Creating a balanced plate is a simple yet effective way to ensure we're getting all the necessary nutrients. Fill half of your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, 1/4 with lean proteins, and the remaining quarter with whole grains or starchy vegetables. This approach provides a good balance of nutrients and portion control. Tips for a sustainable balanced diet. Choosing a sustainable diet not only benefits our health but also the environment. Opt for locally sourced, seasonal, and organic foods whenever possible. Including plant-based options, reducing food waste, and making eco-friendly choices are all steps towards a more sustainable and balanced diet. Planning and meal prepping. Meal planning and prepping can make it easier to stick to a balanced diet. Set aside some time each week to plan your meals and make a grocery list. Preparing meals in advance saves time and ensures you have healthy options readily available. It also helps with portion control and reduces the temptation to reach for unhealthy choices. Overcoming challenges and making a healthy. Maintaining a balanced diet can be challenging, especially when faced with cravings, emotional eating, or social situations. Practice mindful eating, listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and find healthy alternatives to satisfy cravings. When dining out or traveling, opt for nutritious choices and practice moderation. Congratulations! You've now gained a solid understanding of nutrition and how to create a balanced diet that suits your needs. Remember, building healthy eating habits takes time, so be patient with yourself and focus on progress rather than perfection. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos on nutrition, wellness, and healthy living. We're here to support you on your journey to better health. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, a balanced diet is the foundation for a vibrant, energetic life. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.